Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. In today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at the Cash App. The Cash App investing platform. We're going to be looking at the pros, the cons, a total comprehensive review of this platform for 2023. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And guys, if you want to learn more about trading, investing, money, everything money, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Subscribe right now so you guys can stay up to date on all of our videos, because that's what we talk about here on this YouTube channel, on Carter Farr YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. Roll that intro. Come on. Bam. So now before we jump into the Cash App investing, first we have to understand what is the Cash App. Now the Cash App is virtually an online bank that has a debit card that pretty much allows you to spend money and send money. And now they have something called the Cash App Invest, which overall allows you to invest money. But the reason why it's incredibly popular is because something called the Cash App Boost. Now this is pretty much like different rewards that this debit card offers. Looking at some of these boosts, you'll see why it's incredibly popular. You will have 5% off Walmart, you'll have 4% off Target, 5% off, Nike, and all of these other fantastic rewards that you can get just by adding them to your card. So if you wanted 4% off Little Caesars because you're about to get a pizza, all you have to do is add it to your card. And now when you go spend the money, you get 4% off your order, which is incredibly awesome. You can get money back without actively having to spend thousands. Normally for like a credit card, you spend money, you get rewards, and you can use it for like cash back or travel. With this, you can just add it and then you can go spend money and save you money. It's a really, really cool concept. On top of that, one of the most popular things with the Cash App is allowing you to send money to other people that has the Cash App. It's very similar to like a Venmo, but the Cash App has those boosts where if you have that debit card, it will save you money when you spend it. So it's a really, really cool concept. Now that we understand what the Cash App is, now let's dive in and look at the investing portion. So now that we are up and loaded here on the Cash App Invest, you'll notice all of my different stocks. I have about 165 bucks invested with them, which isn't too much. I invested a while back and now I'm just kind of sitting, relaxing, seeing what happens with it. As we scroll down, what's really cool is it'll kind of show you your investments, right? The total amount you have invested, your total gain. So I'm up about $22, which isn't too bad. My total gain percent is about 15%. As we scroll down here, you'll notice all the different investments that I have. So I'm invested in just to the S&P 500, Airbnb, Berkshire Hathaway, Coca-Cola, Disney, Chipotle, JP Morgan, Visa, McDonald's, Amazon, and Apple. As we scroll down as well, what we have are the stocks that we're following. So these are going to be like stocks on our watch list. Now you'll notice we have Penn, AMD, Nike, Microsoft, Walmart. All the cool ones here, you'll notice I have quite a bit. Now if you're somebody that doesn't really know how to find stocks, let me tell you, they got a whole bunch of different sectors. So if you want ETFs, all you gotta do is click ETFs and scroll down to the one you want. If you want to go back and look at food and drinks, all you gotta do is click that sector and you'll notice we have different companies that fall in that category. Now, one of the biggest things with this here is these most traded monthlies. When you buy stock, you want volume. Volume is very, very important with trading, investing. And you'll notice we have Tesla, Apple, Nvidia for all the most traded monthly, and some of these stocks are very, very volatile. Now, another really important thing when it comes to the Cash App Invest is something called the daily movers. Now, this tracks all the stocks that are going up and down at pretty rapid rates. So looking at some of these, you'll notice some up 26%, 23%, 19, 20%, 18, 17%. Some of these stocks are extremely volatile, going up and down. These are stocks that I would not recommend investing in because they're way too risky and volatile and going up and down too quick. As we scroll down as well, they do have My First Stock. So it's pretty much a book they wrote to teach people about investing. And another really cool thing as well is once you want to search up a stock, you guys can look up the company. If you wanted to find AMD, all you got to do is search up the company, type it in, and then you can unfollow it, follow it. You can gift it if you want to send it to a friend or family. And then as we scroll down, they do have some news articles about this stock. And then an about thing. So if you don't know what the company is, they'll give you a brief description, the CEO, the industry, and then they'll give you some key stats down here, the share price, market cap, revenue, all that good stuff. We have the financials, the annually and then the quarterly. As we scroll down as well, they give you all the past 4 earnings. So you'll notice that AMD has done relatively decent. As we scroll down more, they give you an analyst rating, whether it tells you to sell or buy or hold. And then we have recent activity and then what it's featured in. So that is a brief description of what the Cash App is. So let's give you just my overall opinion on it. Now the Cash App offers something called just a standard broker's account. So really what this means is there's no like tax advantages with this. So if you're somebody that is looking to retire with the Cash App investing, I would not recommend it at all. The reason why is because when you retire, you're gonna have to pay taxes on all of this money because it's a standard broker's account. Now if they offered retirement accounts, it'd be completely different, like traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, because then you'll have a lot more tax incentives. Now, right now, what's gonna happen is you're gonna invest this money and then in 40 years or 50 years when you wanna retire, you're gonna have to pay a bunch of taxes on all this money. So it's pretty much just money left on the table. Now, the biggest thing with investing is there's always opportunity elsewhere for better brokers. And that's kind of how I feel with the Cash App. I really think it's a great platform to teach people about investing and start investing, but it's not a platform that I would recommend retiring off of. And let me tell you this and just be completely transparent with you guys, is yes, it's great for beginners, but not suited for people that honestly want to take investing seriously. I think this is just designed for people to just kind of get that ball rolling, and then you'll go to other brokers like M1 Finance, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, brokers like that that are a little more well established and that offer better things like dividend reinvesting, different account types, and they'll often, like Robinhood now does, a 1% match on your retirement. So I just think right now there's always better opportunity elsewhere, but if I was gonna rate this out of 10, I probably would give it like 7 out of 10 just because it's just one single account. And the cool thing is you can invest just $1 in stocks, but you can still only invest $1 in like Robinhood, Fidelity, and M1 Finance. So I just think that there's just better opportunity elsewhere, but it's great for people that are just getting the ball rolling. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video.